Crispy air fryer deviled eggs. You won't believe how easy it is to make these creamy, delicious deviled eggs without ever boiling a pot of water. It's ready in minutes. And the results are flawless every time. Preheat your air fryer to 270 degrees for 10 minutes. Then, place your eggs in the air fryer basket and set the temperature again to 270 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to cook the eggs for 15 to 16 minutes, which is perfect for that firm yet creamy yolk. This is so much easier than boiling eggs on the stove. No more waiting for the water to boil, no more worrying about cracking shells or overcooking. The air fryer does all the work for you. When your air fryer dings, it's time to take out the cooked eggs and give the eggs an ice bath for 5 minutes. Now that they're cooled, gently crack each egg. You'll see that the shells come off so easily. No fuss, no frustration. Just a smooth, clean peel every time. Slice them in half and you'll see those bright golden yolks. Next, carefully remove the egg yolks and place them in a separate container. Look at how perfect they are. No green rings. We will set this aside while we prepare the egg whites. Get 3 sandwich bags or quart-size freezer bags depending on the amount of egg whites you are preparing. Fill the first bag with 1/2 cup all-purpose flour and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Fill the second bag with 1 to 2 beaten eggs and a teaspoon of the Jeyn mustard. Fill the third bag with 1/2 cup breadcrumbs. I'm using Italian-style breadcrumbs. Panko breadcrumbs is a great choice, or you can make your own breadcrumbs. Then, preheat your air fryer to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Place all the egg whites on the bag with the flour mixture and shake the bag a little bit to fully coat the egg whites. Next, place the egg whites in the bag with the egg yolk mixture and shake the bag gently to evenly coat the egg whites. Lastly, using your hands or kitchen tongs, carefully transfer the egg whites to the bag containing the breadcrumbs. Shake the bag gently until the egg whites are coated with the breadcrumbs. Place your egg whites face up on your preheated air fryer basket. Lightly spritz the egg whites with vegetable cooking spray. Then set your air fryer to 400 degrees and bake the egg whites for 5 to 6 minutes. There's no need to flip the eggs. While the egg whites are crisping up, we will quickly prepare the egg yolk filling. Add 3 tablespoons of light mayonnaise or 3 tablespoons of healthy Greek yogurt for creaminess. A teaspoon of the Jeyn mustard for a little tang, 1/2 teaspoon lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. If you like spicy, a drop or 2 of hot sauce works wonders here. Mix it all together with fork until the yolks are smooth and creamy. This is the filling that will take your deviled eggs to the next level. Now our crispy egg whites are ready. Look at them. Golden, crispy, and delicious. Ready for the egg yolk filling. Now comes the fun part, filling your egg whites. You can use a spoon, but if you want to make them look extra fancy, pipe the yolk mixture into the whites using a piping bag or a plastic sandwich bag with the tip cut off. For the finishing touch, sprinkle a little paprika on top for color and a hint of smoky flavor. You can also add some fresh herbs or dried parsley flakes, or even crumbled bacon for that extra pop of flavor and crunch. Beautiful, crispy, creamy deviled eggs that took half the time to make. Thanks to the magic of the air fryer, it's best to serve these crispy deviled eggs immediately after frying. If you enjoyed this simple time-saving recipe, watch my next video on Black Forest trifle cups. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Enjoy!